Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to study New Oxford Modern English Primer B. Today our topic is these and those. As you know student, these is a plural form of this and those is a plural form of that. The students, we use these for nearby things and use those for away things. Now we will learn the use of these and those. First of all, look at the picture. Here are ribbons and skirts. Now read the sentence with me. These are my ribbons. ये मेरे ribbons हैं. And those are my skirts. और वो मेरी skirts हैं. Next one, socks and shoes. Now read the sentence with teacher. These are my socks. ये मेरी जराबें हैं. And those are my shoes. और वो मेरे जूते हैं. Now here are some frocks and blouses. Now read the sentence. These are my frocks. ये मेरी फ्रॉकें हैं. And those are my blouses. और वो मेरी कुर्तियाँ हैं. Okay student, it's our today lesson. Hopefully you have got it. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.